Hello guys, my name is Susan and today I'm going to do some C++ practice. So before that, let me check my stream. Like, is it running or not? Yes, it is. I think it's running. Okay. So I'm preparing for my exam. I'm going to do some C++. So I have like exam questions. So let's start with this. Okay. Write a structured declaration called motive data to hold the following data about a movie: title, year, release, production cost in millions, and reference. Why is it a code? So this question is sent by one of my friend. Okay, let's solve. Okay. Where is yesterday's file? Let's put here. Okay, let me open code blocks. Or let's use Visual Studio Code. Okay, sorry. Okay, forget that. Let's use online GDB. Yes. To remove this, select a language, cross this. No. So our first question is, write a structured declaration called movie data to hold the following data about a movie: title. So the way we can do that is like, iostream using namespace std. So we can do is like struct movie data. So the name is movie data. So movie movie data. Name this. Then we have to include title. So the title will be string, of course. Okay, TITLE. Okay, title. And next is the year release. Year release will be integer, not the float, not double. So let's write year. And next is production cost. So production cost will be long. Long is like similar to integer, but it can store bigger data. So let's write cost. And next is in millions of dollars with fractional amounts. Okay, let's write long double. So I'm also going to use ChatGPT to teach myself. Is long double it's used in C++? Yes, long double. Okay, yeah, I was just making sure. Long double. Okay, yeah, in this way we can use int main. So if the question is asking like this, then we only have to write only this. Only have to write this. But I want to like feed the data. So let me create like movie data equals to movies. This is an array, this way it can hold 25 movies. It will generally hold 26. Next is I want to like okay, movie name. Okay, let's write like enter number enter number of you want to store restore in a DL, and we can create an integer called number, and we will take number then we will get for loop for equals to 0 number I plus plus so I will be only taking like an input of title movie's name. So I will do like movies I dot title dir. Yes, I have done the like these are like in this code I'm doing like asking movie's name from user, and for printing we can use the same thing plus C plus B. Run this. Okay, we got some error. Okay, yeah. I need to close this. So our main answer for this question, write a structured declaration called movies data to hold the following data about a movie: title, year release, and the production cost in millions of dollars with fractional amount, and see sample data below. Is only this, but we can use this in this way. Let me run. Okay, I cannot use like this. Sorry, my bad. Okay, enter a number of movies that you want to store. Write three movie name. Avengers. Okay, let's write Game of Thrones. Oh, okay. So it will take only one word. So in order to we have to use get line. So get line CIN sin, and we are going to write like VIE movies I dot TITLB like this. Sorry, let me run this. Okay, 3. I don't know why it is going to. Okay, let's write Avengers Game of Thrones. There is some mistake. 3. Why it is saying write a movie, enter a movie name. Okay, after this it will like go here, it goes there. Enter a movie name. Okay, let me check this. Mixing scene and get line. Scene number. When you use scene number, it leaves new line character in the input buffer. This causes subsequent getLine calls to read an empty string on initialize array. Movies is initialized to hold 25, but if number is less than 25, the remaining elements are unused. This is not an error, but it is something important. Okay. No input for other fields. Yeah, I know that I have only here. Oh, okay. After using scene, I have to like clear the new line character from input buffer. Okay. Okay. And okay, so let's take. Okay. So after this, before using getLine, we have to ignore cn.ignore, so that the new line character, we have to clear the new line character from input buffer. And after getLine we can use cin, but okay, yeah, we have to use cin ignore again because we are going to use getLine scene.movies. Okay, it makes sense. So I have to use like, oh sorry, stop have to use like cin sin.ig and re ignore like this, and I have to use, I don't think like I have to use that because we are continuously using this, so I don't think we have to use. So si3, yeah, enter movie name, Avengers game on Penny's Thrones, enter movie. Another is like, let's say Iron Man. Okay, yeah, now it's working. So okay, let's solve another problem. Okay, write a declaration for an array containing 3 movies structure called movies and initialize it using the following data. So we have to initialize this following data. So the way we can initialize is like this, equals to this, we have to load this, and we have to use like this, and star is stars. Okay, star, war is wars, stars wars, then enter 1977. Okay, it will be in double because like millions of double with fractional and so we are only going to use double. 11.1, then we have to use commas, and again the Hunger Games. Hunger Games 2002. I know this game, I know this movie, I used to watch a lot. 78.2, a lot of VFX, and our last one is Jurassic Park, all-time favorite, childhood favorite, Jurassic Park, 1993. Okay, 63.7. No need to do comma at last. So in this way we can, initialize. So no need to take input like this. We are going to, like there are 3, 0, 1, 2. So we are going to write 3. So it will only display this. We have to give input number, but number is not going to do anything. So okay, it's gonna write 5, but still it will display all these numbers. Okay, so let's go. Write a function called all movies that will take an array of movies data structure and its size as parameter. It should display the title of each movie's release. It should display the title of each movie. So are you guys seeing or not? So the question is like this. Write a function called all movies that will take an array of movie data struct and its size as parameter. It should display the title of each movie released prior to year 2000. Okay, output is title on separate line. The function should produce the proper output for any array of movies data struct of any size. Okay, so I got some of the problem, but still. So we have to create all movies function, which will take an array of movies data, okay, and its size. Okay, let's do this first. So I have initialized, so I will keep size here, and I'm going to create constant and name size, which will be 25. Okay, and I'm going to write for int I equals to 0, I is number, and I plus plus. Now we are going to enter movie name, Indial. Then we are going to use getLine CIM, and sorry, it's movies I dot title. After doing this, we are going to scene.ignore, and we are going to use COUT enter is release date and we only have to use scene movies I dot I think here is here, it should be here, yes it is here, no need to use ignore. Now enter is cost in fraction of dollars. Now we have to use scene movies dot movies bracket I dot cost. Okay, after this we are going to use scene.ignore. Why? Because we have to use getLine again, so for that we have to use scene.ignore. And we are not going to display here. So we are going to create a function in all movies. It should display the title of each movie's release prior to the year. So we are going to create void function, void old movies, and it's going to use like mo movie data, and what's another movie data, and we are only going to do like em because it's easy to write, and yeah, no need to take size. Okay, we need to take size and none. Okay, so it should display the title of each movie released prior to the year 2000. Output is title on separate line. Okay. The function should produce the proper output for an array of movies. The function should produce proper output for an array of movies data struct of any size. Okay, of any size. So I can limit this size. And I have to write this number 1 plus c as 1 plus x plus b number, and I have to write here number. And I am going to like keep this initialize value here. It will start from, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is going to be 3. Okay, it starts words. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so these are going to be initialized value. Next. Okay, I will take num and for int equals to 0 I to num I plus plus if m plus I dot year is smaller than 2000, then utm di plus 1 m I dot name, not it is title so, and m dot I dot here. Okay, so I should include here string because I'm using a string function. And what should I use? Okay, so okay, that's enough. All movies for int it will run from 0 to num I to here if smaller than 2000. Okay, now I have to call a function. So I have to call like slash. Next is number. Let's write return 0. Okay, we are done. This run the program. I want to store 5. So I will be storing only 2 because these 3 there are already these 3 movies. So into a movie I'm going to write Avengers. It was released also in 2012. So Avengers. Why it? I no need to write this. Okay, let me write. Release date it was like 2012. I think. Let's write 3. Okay, let's like 102 3. It's a movie name. Barbarian of Arnold Schwarzenegger. It was like 1972. Sorry, 1972. It will be like 2.34 that time. Okay. Okay, it is running nicely. No need to use CIN that ignore because yeah. So the thing is before using getLine, I have to use cin.ignore, which I'm using. No need to use. After it use. So it is done. The function will produce the proper output for an array of movies struct of any size. So I will become within a minute. I just need to do a restroom break. I will be streaming up to 3, but I need to complete all this. Okay, one page done. Let's do another page. Okay, our software company sells a package that results for, what is this, $5.99. Quality discounts are given according to the table at the right. Add if else statement below that output to the screen the total cost charged for the given quantity of packages. For example, if a customer purchases 51 packages, the cost is 55 into 99 minus 20% of 99 equals to 4039.20. Okay, let's look at the table. Quantity discount. If 1 to 49, then no discount. 50 to 99, 20% discount. 100 or more, 40% discount. So what is this? C note. Okay, constable price 99. In quality, so I think we have to write from this in exam paper, like no need to initialize. For $8. Okay, let me save this first. Some exam. Okay, I will reload. And okay, I'm going to write full program because it will not run. Okay, hashtag include iostream using namespace std int main. I think we are not going to use function here. Int main. Okay, if quantity. Okay, I'm going to write that int quantity the number of packages packages, enter number of packages and DL, and I'm going to write quantity. Get this done. Okay, a software company sells a package that results for quantity discounts are given according to the table, right? Okay, if else statement output screen to cost charge for given quantity packages, for example. So we don't have to use function, so I think it is simple. So here are, I made quantity, I took quantity from user, then if quantity is greater than 1, greater or equals to 1, and quantity is smaller or equals to 49, then I also have to, like this double this count discount equals to, okay, for example, if a customer purchases 51 packages, then total cost is 51 times 99 minus 20% of 99. How? Okay, so here why there is 99. Like there should be like 20%. I'm going to do in my own way. So there is, okay, then discount is not, so discount equals to 0. Yes, and else let me copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl B. It should be like 50 and this would be like 99. Then discount equals to, okay, let me calculate. A software company sells a package that results for what is this? Retails. Okay, a software company sells a package that retails for $99. It is $99. Oh, that's why there is 99. Okay, const double price. The price is 99.000. Okay, okay, so okay, I got it now. So I'm going to like enter the quantity. I'm also going to create int total equals to not double, double total equals to quantity times 99. The total will be quantity times 99. Discount will be 0 and total equals to, okay, I'm going to do, okay, TOTAL total is then discount will be total minus, so this is like fraction, so if total. This will be total, like 51 into 99 is total, minus 51 into 99 of 20%. So total minus total minus total into 20 is like 0.20, 20%. Okay, discount equals to, wait, so discount is going to be total of 20%. 20% discount means, what is 20% discount? If I have like 100, so my total is 100, then 20% will be like 80. Discount will be 20 and total will be 80. So discount is 20. %. 100 times 20 by 100. 20 by 100. Okay, it's right. Discount equals to this, and total equals to total minus discount. COUT. Total is total. Okay. Else if the quantity is greater or equals to 100, then 100, then discount will be total minus 40%, so 0.40, and total is going to be total minus discount. Okay, enter a number of packages, so let's put like 51. Yeah, it's working. So include IOStream using namespace std, we have to make const double price, which is 99.00, as it is given in 99.00. We are going to create double discount, in quantity. We're going to take quantity from input, from user. Then we are going to create total quantity into 99. We don't want to like use all this complex formula. We can definitely use this, but it's very difficult to like use this in this numerical problem in programming. So we're going to simplify. So after doing that, it will going to check the condition. If it is false under 1 to 49, then we can also like else we can also like write invalid quantity if it is minus. So okay, let's do another question. Okay, the function has 4 errors. Okay, the function below has 4 okay, the function below has 4 errors. It has 2 integer parameter representing the time in hours, minute. Okay, let's watch this. Void add minute int hours int minutes. Okay, if minutes is not 59, then minutes plus plus, else minutes equals to 0, hour plus plus, total equals to hours into 60 plus minutes, return total. Okay, the function below has 4 errors. Okay, this is the function. It has 4 errors. It has 2 integer parameter representing time in hours and minute. Yes, integer hour, integer and minutes. Okay, 2. Okay, it should add 1 to minutes unless the minutes value is 59. It should add 1 to the minutes. Here it is adding minutes unless the value is 59. Okay, minutes if not equals to 59 minutes plus plus. Wow, I think there is mistake. Okay, at 1 minute unless the minute is 59, for which case it should set the minute to 0 and 1 and add 1 to them, in which case it should set the minutes to 0. Change to either parameter should change the corresponding argument from the function call. The function should also calculate the total number of minutes 60 times the hour plus the minutes and return that as the result. Find errors in the code, number them 1 to 4. Then for each one, make a correction by crossing out incorrect code and putting the correction nearby or adding code using arrow to indicate where as appropriate. So I'm going to save this first. Save. New numerical channel. Okay, that is enough for me to identify that problem. Okay, I'm going to highlight and include string using namespace std int main. So return total. Okay, we are going to create int hours and ts minutes. So one is like, I think address is missing, because if we want to like make change in hours, then there should be like address, and there should be braces. To mistake, there are 4 errors. And what is total? So total should be like initialized here, and we have to return total. And next is hours into 60 minutes. So 1 2 2 3. I think this condition is also wrong, so the correct will be like POID void add minute minut minute and address hour and address ts minutes. Okay, function and if. So for me, here should be like minute is smaller than 59, then plus. Yeah, it should add 1 minute, 1 to the minutes, unless the minutes value is 59. So unless the value is 59. Okay, unless the minutes value is 59. Okay, I think yeah, it's correct, because if there is like okay, yeah. Yes. Okay, wait. If minutes equals to 59, then it will be like what is another mistake? Oh, int. Okay, I find the mistake. So the correct answer is, it should be int. It should be hours, address hours, so that it can change the actual value of hours. And it should be like the conditional, right? Minutes is not equals to 59, then minutes plus ts minutes plus plus else minutes else minutes will be 0 and hours plus plus. And we also have to like in total equals to 0. So let's get our total. Then we have to write total equals to hours into 60 plus minutes. No need to do this because it will automatically do the like multiplication function first and return total. So the 4 mistakes is here. Void should be int, and another is like initialize total, and next is again here, which is like keep the address address of in parameter meter, and last is okay 1 2 3. Okay, last is here braces in else, because if it was only hours plus plus, no need to do braces since there are 2 lines, so we have to do braces. So it's also done. Now last question. I will not save this because it's already saved in my YouTube channel. Next is write a sequence of statement that computes the average of student assignment score. Okay, your code should repeatedly ask the user for next assignment score and to enter -1 to quit. Then it will output the average of assignments. Assume that the assignments score and resulting average may have fractional values. Do not use an array. I was able to use array. Okay, enter the assignments -1 to quit. 100. Okay, in the next assignment, enter the next. Okay, I think it's easy. So I will not set this. Include. Drink some water. String using namespace std int main. I'm not using any function, any other things. So write a sequence of statement that computes the average of a student assignments score. Your code should repeatedly ask the user for next assignment score and enter. Okay, int score. double average. I also need to count, so int count equals to 0. Okay, I'm going to use while loop. So at first it should be like -1 to quit. So I'm going to run enter. It is going to run. Enter assignment. Enter assignments. Oh, so that okay, let's put this, like int score int. Okay, the score value will be 0 at first, so it will always run at once, while the score is not equals to -1. It will run and it will ask like COUT enter the next assignment, enter the next assignment, enter the next assignment, -1 to quit, Q, not quite quit. Okay, after this I'm going to score if score equals to -1, then break. But before that I also need to count plus. So enter the next assignment. For example, I have score 5. It will say 5, so it will not break and count. Then it will. Okay. One more thing, I cannot use array. So I have to use total. Int total, to calculate total equals to 0. Yes, this initialize total equals to 0. Since I cannot use array, so total equals to total plus score. So total will be storing the value of score, not here, like after the break statement, because what if there is -1? So sorry, total equals, that is also alright. Score. Now I'm going to like double. I'm going to make total double, so that 0.0 double average equals to, no need to use like drastic. I think how to change into double. Yes, typecasting, static cast. I think I'm going to use explicit conversion here. Implicit conversion, because yeah, I'm going to create average. Yeah, I'm going to use implicit conversion. I was just curious about explicit conversion. So static cast double. First I will do with implicit. Average. Divided by 180, 70 minus 180, 70 minus 1. Okay, it runs successfully. Include iStream using namespace std int main int score 0 double average int count 0 one score. Next question. Complete the definition of a function called findMin. Complete the definition of a function called findMin that takes an array of doubles and lists arrays of doubles called list and the number of element. So double call list. So enter a size of array. So double list size takes an array of double skull list. Double bind, double list, and size. Okay, for and I equal to 0, I is greater than belong to size plus plus. Now I have to double list 0 list 0 this value 1 this value I is smaller than minimum this return any okay. So our answer is this. Return minimum min equals to size. Enter size of an array size list. It will take input and yes. Enter size of an array. 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 5, 2, 2, 45, 67, and that's 99. Okay. Okay. I'm ending my stream.